Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
HP. Layla! Sasuke, what happened? You were calling me. I was in the middle of something. I was having headaches and stuff. Phone wasn't working too well.
Oh, great. I'm not paralyzed.
Oh. Something happened? You didn't do anything to that guy, did you?
Yeah, I blew his back out.
Oh, yeah, by Crazed Local. Here, try getting in the driver's seat. Does it work? Can you?
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Wow.
just here, let me mark it on the map. All right, I marked the spot. We got to go all the way over there, but trust me, it's gonna be great. We'll both ride off the mountain. I'll learn a lot.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna be All right, I think we scared it off. Let's get back to the top of the mountain.
Oh, okay.
All right, good job. You really scared that mountain lion off.
Sure did.
All right.
Man, I think I have a hunting knife too.
No, really? We could have made a lot of money then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. You know, we'll make money from this. Oh, lightning.
I just saw the lightning too.
Is this? We might have to.
Oh god!
Oh, Layla! Layla, stop the car! Oh, oh god! Oh god! Oh! Let's stop the car! Oh god! Hit the brakes! Hit the brakes! Oh god! Okay, look. I think we abandoned the car. We'll ride the bikes the rest of the way to the top. Let's just ride the bikes the rest of the way to the top.
I panicked.
We're fine. You're doing great. Don't worry. Thanks for driving. Let's ride the bikes to the top. All right. Yeah, just oh god, it's raining. We picked the
like shit. Okay. Can you, Soze? Can you please relax? All right. Go ahead. Come back up.
Fuck yourself, King.
All right. Yeah, I hung up. No worries. Oh Jesus!
Oh, what the fuck?
What is happening here? These locals. Oh man, these locals are crazy.
Okay, go ahead and get out of here.
I just picked up. I'm so sorry, man. These locals are crazy.
Oh! I'm sorry. I didn't
Oh!
Oh,
Hey guys, let's relax. Let's relax.
Come on, you wanna go? You wanna go? I swear to God, I'll punch you.
Hey, she said bring it. You can punch her. She taunted you into it. She said bring it on.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's dance. Let's dance.
Oh god. Oh man, get her, Abdul. Get her. She's hurt.
Oh god. Oh god, no.
I think she's going feral. Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh my god, they're really going at it. Hey guys, relax. Someone's gonna get hurt. Oh god. Abdul. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt bad. Oh Jesus. Abdul, get in the car. Get in the car, man. We gotta get out of here. We got. Jesus, okay, you really beat him down. I just drove him here to his car. We'll be able to go to the hospital. I don't even know if I'm supposed to see my phone, but we are injured actually, so I think it's reasonable to be like, we're hurt, right? Because we are hurt. We are hurt. He asked me.
Thank you, sir.
Oh god, my leg.
We're getting medical treatment up here.
Yeah, thanks.
PB, just make sure you have a gun on your holster or anything like that in case somebody wants to come up here, okay? Because all our units left it.
A gun for what?
I mean, we don't know who you.
All right, we're ready, guys. Let's go.
Be ready to call the ambulance.
Call
But
the
not
ambulance.
from me.
All right, let's go.
Oh dear.
Here we go, guys. Holy Jesus, he's crazy. Oh my god. What on earth? Oh, holy jeez. Oh my god. What is this? Wait, I'm doing it. Oh my god. Holy, we're crazy. Wait, we're crazy, guys. We're actually crazy. Oh, come on. I'm doing it. Oh. Wait, I'm actually doing it. We're cracked. Let's do another jump. Wait, we're actually doing it. We're insane. We're almost down there. All right, we're good. I'm doing it. Who's this? How did my car get so beaten up? Here, let me mark it for you. All right, it's this
I was kind of
alleyway
wondering.
right
I'm like,
here.
why'd I join you?
Yeah, I was gonna mark it. All right, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Got that. I forgot what I was doing after the head pot. I was going to. Why does my brain work like this? All right, guys. I think we should do a little bit of money cleaning today. Before the Polito. Actually, we could just do house there. Right over here, full speed, 36 miles an hour.
Oh
right
my
off
God,
of.
you're insane.
Eh.
Ah!
Oh God.
Wee.
Oh.
Ow.
I gotta practice that one more.
Oh, you're still carrying me though. That's wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow,
You're
that
the
was
first person
amazing.
That clap. You're the first person to ever clap.
That was
Thank you.
incredible. I have never heard anyone sing that like that before, ever, in the past 7 decades.
7 decades.
Yeah, honestly, that was pretty good, but I know someone who sings even better.
Wait, who?
Might be an aquatic creature, but anyway, what was your name again?
Wait, that's rude. Not
What's
even
rude?
a person. You said an aquatic creature.
Well, anyway. No,
do you
it's my
prefer
favorites.
chopsticks, fork, or spoon?
Can I just get all 3, and then I'm gonna save the fork for like something else I eat later from a different restaurant?
Oh, I do that too. I hear you. Yeah, definitely. No problem.
Yeah, you know,
They'll
I
be in
mean,
the bag.
it's a free plastic fork. I mean, I'm not gonna say no. You know what I mean? Our money's a little tight
Absolutely.
these days.
Absolutely.
I need to go buy I need like 18K. Can I borrow?
18? I can give you 18. Take me to a bank though.
Okay, I
You got
promise
your
I'll
card?
pay back in 10 minutes.
Hey, no problem. Worst case, we'll get it all back tomorrow at the heist.
Worst case, I'll pay tomorrow. Doesn't matter that much.
All right? Nah, it's fine, guys. We're gonna do it tomorrow.
I'm good
Oh,
for it, I
God.
promise.
Hey, no problem. I trust you. Wouldn't do banks if I didn't. All right. I might need to. Do you have your car? What are we walking? Scammed? Nah, it's fine, guys. We can afford it, and we have tons of money. We have like
Courthouse.
50K to clean in dirty money. All right. Let's see. 7.
I'll pay back in a minute. Hey,
Hey, no problem. I got plenty of money.
Oh, thank you. Holy shit. Okay, that's good.
You
Thank
take
you,
as
man.
much time as you need.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a minute.
I do have to go get to my car before someone steals it, though. But I'll catch. What's Cassie told me she promoted me. Why? What's it say?
Oh yeah, you're promoted.
She told me I'm the
Congratulations.
only person with this position. She said I'm promoted to
You
like
are.
a. Yeah, she said it's a special position. I'm the only one with it.
It is. Have you not seen it?
No, I barely check my stuff. I just show up for work, do my stuff, and you know. She told me it was a big promotion. Wait, am I your boss now? Don't tell me I'm your boss now. No way. I'm trolling
You're
you.
climbing the ladder.
Well, you know, I do work hard. I do work hard.
One more meal, guys. So what I want you to do is go into your phone and check the employment and check your position.
All right, let me finish up these this next batch of fries, and then I'll.
Of course, I'll wait here.
Yeah, let me
right
see.
upon
It's
your- on your head.
says here I'm a Ctbf. That sounds very important. Ctbf.
CTBF.
Soon to be
yes.
fired.
Yep.
I assume.
I don't know why I
You're
said
climbing
C.
the ladder.
Oh.
Ladder.
Oh God, my car. Look, is that going to be reimbursed at all? I mean, how do they do that at the tow company?
I don't know. You talk with a tow company. Don't talk to me. I'm a police officer.
Wait, I thought, aren't there laws like if they damage it, they gotta fix it?
Here's $100, sir. That'll
$100
more than cover the damage that they're
Oh, thanks, officer.
You don't give them money.
Thanks, officer. You know, you're not like those other officers. You know, you care about the people.
Hey, listen. You know, should never done a crime in your vehicle and sent it. Those are your damages that you done.
Well,
you don't understand that.
Look, this officer here, he still cares about me, even if I'm a criminal.
Well,
That's
sir, in all due,
it's not too many like
with
that.
all due respect, we ordered a tow company from the cops, the PD, and this guy is damaging the car beyond repair.
Yeah, he destroyed that thing. The tire was popped, smashed. So I just gotta find spots where I can jump off or something where the cops can't follow me. Like, I'll just go over here. Can you get over this? Oh! 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 Oh, this is what the practice is for. Okay. But I've only seen the first one. Alright, guys. I don't usually say this. Like, I didn't like the movie that much. I'm not gonna lie. I watched Cars 1, and I was like, you know what? I'm good. And I didn't watch the rest. So, I don't know. It wasn't my type of movie. I don't think it was bad. Like, it wasn't, like, bad. It just wasn't my favorite movie. So...